Hello everybody, welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I will be showing you how you can make your own spring cleaning in the 2023 update. So yeah, when I join this Discord, make sure to join this Discord and download all of this. We have the DLC right here, we gotta download that. I don't really think it works, but yeah, we have the revision and everything. So you wanna download the project, make sure that you have a playfab set up and ready. Go to automation, revision, paste this in, save, deploy this revision after save and deploy. Just like that. So yeah, now what we gotta do is you need to have this downloaded. You wanna extract it. And you wanna let it extract. Meanwhile, you can set up the servers. So you go to Photon. You go to how to set up Photon. Scroll down. Copy this. Paste it inside of here. Remove this part right here and two brackets. And then you gotta go back inside of here. You gotta copy this one, paste it inside of here and copy that. Then you gotta go to Photon. Make sure that it's your name. Click on create new app. Call this real time, your name, and then create. And then a new one, voice, and then create. Then you wanna find it, manage. Then you wanna scroll down to custom server. Click there. And it should look something like this. So you just want to paste this in, and you might get it like this. If you have any letters, you want to make them big. And then you want to do the same with the other one. And then you just want to copy the app ID on both of them and paste a real time into this, chat into that, and then click on install. And now we have this. I'm gonna open it up, export project. Do this. Wanna add project from disk. Paste it in. Open. I am missing that version. Which version is that? 3.3.3. Yeah, I don't really think it matters. So yeah, let's just use this one. Yeah, wait, did this open? So if you get this, you just want to click on continue. Now we gotta go to DLCs. This one. I don't want to use every update, I want to use the spring cleaning. Yeah, DLCs. We go to this one. Basement 2023 Metro City Pride. Halloween Pride. This is the games. Every update. Their Christmas. So they don't have the spring. So you're telling me they don't have the spring? They don't have the spring, okay. Makes sense. So we need to use every update. Okay. So you're gonna go to economy. Currency legacy, new currency, call it SR, Shiny Rocks, and then the amount you want on every single one. Catalog legacy, upload JSON, choose file. And then you gotta find every update, unless you already have the spring. Upload file. Yeah. Now when we're done with that, we just wanna let this open up. So yeah, let's just I'm gonna be back as soon as it opens up. Okay, so once you're inside of the game, this is how it looks. All of this. So yeah, this is, yeah. So yeah, that's how you do it. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, let's just set up the service and everything now. And I'm going to show you how you can add some custom things to the game too. I'm gonna show how you can add instant ban and a custom cosmetic, aka tag. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So first you want to search for PlayFab Authenticator. I'm gonna edit the script. You wanna scroll down to this part. Yes, click yes. I'm gonna scroll down to this part right here. Go back in here, go to add-ons. Scroll down, photon. Make sure that you copy this one. Go in here. Pretty sure it's this one. So you want to paste that inside of there. You want to copy this. Paste it inside of here. Copy this. Paste it inside of here. Inside of here. And then you want to scroll all the way down. You want to copy this one. Paste it in here. This one. Paste it in here. Copy this one. And paste it in here. Then you can save. Like that. And now let's see if the service works. All I gotta do first is search up Gorilla Player. Disable tutorial. Let's see, does the service work or not? As you can see, the servers do work. If I were to drag the Gorilla Player here, then out, as you can see, servers do work. My username is high for some reason. Don't know why. So yeah, servers do work. As you saw, they do work. So now we're going to go over to the cosmetics part. Let's do this. So you click on the face, you go to head, right click, 3D object, legacy and text mesh. Just wanna slice it down like that and then change the font to this one. You can have any font you want, but I personally like this one more. And we can scale it up. And this is going to be the owner tag. Like that. And then you wanna change the color. I'm gonna just do purplish, like this, dark blue. Then you gotta give this an item ID, which mine is going to be LBAAUQ, like that. And I gotta check something real quick. You don't need to do this, I just gotta check. Okay, yeah. So yeah, once you're done with that, you wanna right click up here, do copy component, and you can turn this off. now you gotta go to local Gorilla Player. Open up VR rig. So all the way down, click on the plus, and drag this one onto the. Now we gotta go to cosmetics, controller. Right there, scroll up all cosmetics. Right there, paste it in. Oh my god, LBAUQ. Paste that in, it's on hat, and then none. Like that. And then you wanna search for Gorilla Player. Just like that. You can click on the head, right click, 3D object, legacy text mesh. Let me change the font real quick. Right click, paste components value, and then do owner, or whatever you put. There we go. And then we want to paste in the item ID there. Scroll up to Gorilla Player Networked. Scroll all the way down. Plus, drag this one onto the gate. Disable this, Control S to save. Now you can click on scenes, just like that. And now we gotta go to Gorilla Game Manager. We wanna open this up. You wanna go back here, go to Economy, Catalog Legacy DLC. There, new item. Paste it in there and paste it in there. Save item. And then you can go back inside of here. Scroll a bit. Right there. Space 1. Paste this in and then comma and then Control S to save. Just like that. There we go. And now we gotta press on one of the hats. Like that. We wanna close it. Close this. Disable everything on this one. Disable everything on this one just so that I can see something like that. There we go. We want to right click on this, 3D objects, legacy and text mesh. It's supposed to be like that. Rotate it. That we want to give it the new font like that. Rotate it a little bit more. There we go. And then we want to scale it down. So run like that, with it down to the side, and make it say owner again, or the thing you wanted it to be. Like that. You can do this. There you go. And then we gotta give it an ID there. Then we can drag it onto hats. I wanna enable everything again. Enable everything on this one again. Then we wanna go inside of hats. Wanna click on head model left. Scroll down cosmetics. Go all the way down plus. Drag this one on. And then we get a right click on this and copy. Go to head model center, right click, paste as a child, go to head model left, scroll all the way down, click on plus, drag this one, right here, paste as a child, drag this one, right there, there, paste this in, paste as a child, so all the way down, plus, and drag that in. Now we gotta go to city, do the same thing. We just gotta find, close that, close that, close that, close this, city, right there, I'm pretty sure. Fine. Just click on one of the cosmetics right there. Go to head model, right click, paste as a child. Head model, non-static. So all the way down, click on the plus. Drag this one onto this. So this one, right click, paste as a child. Go here. Right there. There. Go to this one, right click, paste as a child, click on this one, scroll down, plus, right there, right click, paste as a child, right there, and right there. So there we go, we did everything there. Now we can actually try it out, see if the cosmetics works. So we click on this, we click on inventory legacy, select, paste our item in, and grant the item. So we can play test. And as you can see, it worked. So when I click on test press, and it works. So that is how you add a custom tag to your Gorilla Tag copy. And now we gotta set up the instant ban tool. So what I want you to do is to copy. I don't know if I will be allowed to. If I won't, then I will put this in a Google Doc probably, or I'll just, yeah, I'm gonna put this in the description probably if I can. So I'm gonna copy all of this, and you're gonna go to automation, revision legacy, paste it inside of here. Go all the way down, up I mean, there we go. And make sure that you have your own Discord server. So, click connect, create a channel. Yep, create, reports. Right there, go in here, go in here, go here, here, save, there we go. So you wanna go into integrations or whatever, create a webhook, rename this to reports, right there, copy webhook URL, go back inside of here, and you wanna paste it inside of this. Inside of there. Basically everywhere where you can see the Discord thing. And basically what it does is, so when someone that doesn't have the instant ban permission report someone, it's going to send in a report, but they won't get banned. It'll just show who reported who. And then those that have instant ban they get banned instantly. So yeah, like that. Save, deploy, 7 deploy, and just like that, you got instant ban into your game. So yeah, that is basically it for the tutorial. More tutorials will be coming soon, so stay tuned. Make sure to drop a like and comment down below and subscribe. It will really help me out. So see you guys.